Hello again everyone, and welcome to another Vanners Collaboration Group playlist video. Each month a group of us motorhome, camper van and caravan channels get together and produce a playlist of videos on the same topic to give you our different points of view. And this month the subject is things in our van or caravan that we don't use. Now this is of course a serious and important topic. If you're carrying around unnecessary items in your van, that carries a weight penalty and could easily put you over the weight limit for your vehicle. Now one place where you can often find little used items and trinkets is in the washroom. So let's have a look in the washroom and see what's in there that we don't often make use of. Well yes, there are many washroom type scenarios where a trumpet could be useful, but we haven't used ours probably for months. So I'm going to put this as an item that we seldom use. Overhead lockers are another place where things sometimes get put and forgotten and don't see the light of day for years on end and never see any use. Let's have a look, see what we can find. Ah yes, this rabbit mask has been in there for ages and I don't think we've ever used it. Now we did get it as a fairly sensible basic safety precaution, but I think we could risk not taking it with us, you know. Now as you know, I'm a big fan of carrying around quite a comprehensive toolkit with us in the van, and there are many sensible things in the toolkit that do get quite a lot of use, like screwdrivers and my multimeter. But there are a few things in here that perhaps see a little bit less use. Yeah, always check that the spanners you're carrying around are useful for the sort of things you might encounter on the van, because yeah, you can find yourself carrying around tools which are of limited use for everyday type repairs. Now you can also find that things you used to use all the time a couple of years back, you've just grown out of them and you no longer use them anymore. And sometimes those things can find a bit of a resting place in the lockers under your bed. So let's have a look and see what's languishing under there. So yeah, I mean, we had a blast with this when we first got it, but I don't think we've used it for as long as I can remember. So there you go, just a few minutes looking through our lockers has produced this little collection of things that we never really use in our motorhome. And I hope this video has inspired you to have a little look around your van and see if there's anything that you're carrying around that you don't really need to. Don't forget to view all the other videos in the playlist, and yeah, we'll see you again very soon.